Alright y'all, it's Seriously Quisha back with another video, and today I'm going to be doing a review of these crochet braids. Let me show y'all. So this is the hair I got. It's the Freetress braid. It's the Freetress Nigerian braid, so it's like feathered at the ends. It's $7.99 a pack, and I got it in the color of 1. It's a 24-inch. What else? A pack. I got 4 packs, but I only used 2.5. This hair is lightweight. I love that it's feathered at the ends. And yeah, I always get the color 1 because it just looks good on my skin and natural. I love it. But I actually had this hair before. I used to wear it when I was pregnant. And I thought, why not try it again? But this time I got the 24-inch. Last time I had 20-inch. If y'all hear something, I'm on the phone with my mom too. So yeah, let's get right into it.
Alright y'all, so here I am just crocheting the braids, and this is pretty easy and simple to do. As you can see, I did the zigzag pattern again, and this really makes it look as natural as it can, to be honest. I don't think I would ever go back to the regular braiding pattern for the crochet braids, but yeah, this was easy to do, the zigzag pattern. As you can see, this time I did way better than I did in the last video. But yeah, so I'm gonna make this video short and simple, getting straight to it, y'all. Yeah, here I am showing you guys how it's looking so far. Look at that braid pattern though. It makes it look so natural. That's why I love doing it. And yeah.
Okay, so y'all, finally finished my hair, and this is what it's looking like. Super long. It reaches my butt. So yeah, and it looks super natural. Let me show y'all the part. See that? Like, look at this. It is crazy how natural this looks. So if you reach the end of this video, please give me a thumbs up, comment what you think about this hair, and also comment on what you would like to see next.